Hello everybody, my name is Rebecca Grace from Rebecca Grace Designs, and I am the creator of the Encyclopedia of Code, which provides hundreds of copy and paste code snippets for Squarespace website designers to use on their clients' websites. And today we are looking at how to change the Read More blog link. And I'm going to show you how to do this both in Squarespace 7.0 in any of the Brine family templates and also in Squarespace 7.1. So there's two different code snippets that we're going to use today. And what we're doing is changing the words read more to be whatever you would like them to be, just to help customize your blog page that much more. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the code underneath this video on my blog, and you're going to copy the code. I'm going to do it first in Squarespace 7.0. You're going to go to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and we're going to put it in your footer. Click Save. And you should see that your Read More links now say your text here. And all you have to do is change that right here. So make sure you leave the quotation marks, don't change those, and you can change them to whatever you like. You can do keep reading or whatever you would like. So now they say keep reading, and in Brine I have an arrow that I've added in. So what this code does here is it says, okay, I'm going to select the Read More links using this class. And then for all of them, I'm going to change the inner HTML to keep reading. The same process is for 7.1. So you'll see on this 7.1 blog, we have a read more link here. We're going to go to underneath the video in my blog where I have the code, and you're going to copy that. And then go to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection. And we're going to paste it into the footer and click Save. And you should see that your Read More now says your text here. And same idea, you're going to change the your text here to whatever text you would like, leaving the quotation marks. So don't get rid of those. And again, what this has done is selected all of the elements that are blog more link, which is the class for the read more link. And I'm saying for all of them, I want you to change the inner HTML, the inner code, to keep reading. So it's changing the text there. And that is it. You are done. So if you like this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you're on my blog, sign up for the freebie in the footer so that you can be notified when another tutorial is posted.